All right, so I'm excited about this one. This is the SurviveX Large Kit. Now, this is gonna be an all-in-one comprehensive first aid kit that has literally everything that you're gonna need in an emergency situation. So if you're looking for an emergency kit for you and your family and you just wanna be covered in literally every category, then this thing really makes sense. Now, first things first, I wanna show you a little demo of the outside so you can see that you've got a strap up here in the front. Now, as you start to use stuff through this kit, obviously it's gonna get smaller, it's gonna shrink down, and this is nice because you could actually adjust this. So you can take this, adjust it back down, and tighten it up. Now over here on the back, it has MOLLE webbing, so you are able to mount this up. You can see that there's these mounts in the back here. You can mount this in your car, you can mount it up at home, in the workplace, and the great thing about this is that it also has Velcro here on the back. So you can easily pull this away when you need it. So if there's an emergency situation, you can just grab the bag off, and then when you're done, you can go ahead and just put it back up by putting it on the Velcro. Then when it's time to take it with you and go away, all you gotta do is snap it back on and it's ready to go. Then up here at the top, you've got your handle up here. You also have another handle over here on the side. So regardless of where you pick it up, you can go ahead and carry it either which way. Then over here on the front, you've got a little Velcro strip. You've got your American flag right there. And then you can also add some other patches on here as well, which is pretty cool. Then you also have an additional zipper, which there's nothing actually in here, but this is more so for if you have any type of papers or anything that you want to fit in the bag, you can go ahead and easily throw it in there. So let's go ahead and open it up and we're gonna see everything that comes here inside of this kit. And right off the bat, I wanna say this thing again is absolutely stuffed with literally everything you need. One of the amazing things about this is that it's actually color coded and labeled as well. So let's get a little closer here so you can see. Everything is color coded and labeled. So you've got all of your hygiene stuff right there. You've got personal care on the outside of this flap. Inside here, you've got your tools, which are gonna be labeled in black. You've got some extra stuff here, like these glow sticks. And then you have all different types of bandages, adhesions, different types of creams. And then you also have more tools here in the middle, which we'll go through here in a second. So let's start jumping into everything that comes inside of this kit. One of the nice things that they have that a lot of brands won't put in their kits are these trauma shears. And these trauma shears are great for all types of scenarios, but one of the amazing ones is they also have zip wound closures in here, which is gonna help you to close up a wound. That'll give you a little bit more time to get to the hospital. So it's nice using this because you are gonna need to snip the ends of them. Well, you don't have to, but if you wanna like bandage it all up, it's nice to have these. Now, another great thing about this is it also is gonna have a first aid guide. And this first aid guide isn't just a basic regular first aid guide. On the inside, you're gonna see that there's a ton of different photos, graphics, and right here is gonna tell you exactly what to do in every scenario. It's also gonna tell you which medications to take, who to call, and just which type of tools or creams or whatever it may be that are here inside of the kit to take care of the emergency. And it even has a little note section over here in the back. So if you are in that emergency situation and you want to write down what's going on, it's amazing to have that instead of trying to recollect it later. And then over here in your hygiene area, you've got gloves, you've got antiseptic wipes. You also have some small burn creams as well. We've got space blankets in case someone is super cold. You could use those to heat them back up. You're also gonna have these extraction pins, which are really nice. It's got a hazardous waste bag, so if someone needs to throw up or if you have anything else that is messy, you can go ahead and throw it in there. You've got a full 18-inch splint, all different types of gauze. We've got gauze rolls, and then we also have a pressure bandage. It comes with 2 triangular bandages, a couple different types of wound dressing. It's got a whistle. You've got cloth tape, and you also are gonna have a CPR kit. And like I mentioned earlier, you've got these glow sticks. And then over in this section here is gonna be all different types of band-aids. So you're gonna have things like transparent dressings like that. You're gonna have all of your different types of bandages, all shapes and sizes. You've got things like eye patches. You've got fever strips, and more and more and more bandages. So many different types of bandages in here for literally every scenario. We've got these blue cohesive foam bandages for fingers. And these right here are gonna be the zip wound closures that I was telling you about. So they're kind of like a, You can see both sides right here, this piece and this piece is gonna be a sticky, and then right here in the middle, this is kind of like a zip tie. So what you do is you put it over the wound, you pull it, and it's gonna close that wound up. It's kind of like stitches. It's almost like a non-invasive alternative to stitches. And like I said, if you've got just a small cut, it's great because you honestly could probably get away with just utilizing that. Otherwise, if the cut is larger and you think that you're gonna need stitches, then at least you can go ahead and close that wound up, and it's gonna give you a little bit more time for you to get to the hospital, but you're not gonna have just an open sitting wound. You're gonna have a closed up wound. You're gonna go ahead and be able to sanitize it. You can dress it, you can close it up, and you can cover it up with a bandage. And then you have a couple other small things like triple antibiotic ointments. We've got some cooling patches. We've got sting relief pads. We've got these cold packs, which are really nice. So if you are in an area, like we live in a very, very hot state. So when I'm out doing those outdoor activities, you know, it could get hot. And if you're overheating, having one of those cold packs is an absolute lifesaver. So that is everything that comes here inside of the kit. And again, I absolutely love this. One of my EMT friends put me onto this and they said, yo, you're gonna need one of these. You got a family, you wanna make sure that everybody's taken care of, then this is really the way to go. Now, SurviveX also has the large Pro kit. So this is kind of similar to the large kit. However, it is gonna include some extra stuff. Like for example, it's got this emergency bandage, which is kind of like a Israeli pressure bandage. It's also gonna have way more of the stuff that's already in the large kit. So if you have a large family, if you've got, I would say 3 or more people in a certain scenario, you're gonna wanna have the larger kit on you because, you know, once you kind of run out of one thing in here, then you either need to refill it. But I would say that the regular kit is good for 1 to 2 people. Now, if you got a family, if this is gonna be in the workplace, if this is gonna be, maybe you have a baseball team or something, then this would make sense to have with a larger group. Plus, you're gonna get the added benefit of all the extra stuff inside of here. And for the price difference, I feel like it's kind of a better deal to go with the Pro. It really just depends on what your budget is. But I think that the amount of stuff that comes in the Pro kit compared to the large, for the price, I think that the Pro kit would make a little bit more sense. But again, if you only have 1, 2, maybe a small child, 3rd person, then I would say that the large kit is totally sufficient. But wait, there is more. SurviveX also has the waterproof kit. Now, the waterproof kit is gonna be good if you're out on boats or if you live in an emergency area where, you know, there's gonna be water. So tsunami warnings, hurricanes, flooding, anything like that, then I would recommend going with the waterproof version. Now, the waterproof version is essentially the same everything that's gonna be in the large kit, but the case of this is waterproof. And I know it seems like a small, minor difference, but this could be the difference between all your supplies getting damaged and them not getting damaged. So again, if you're in an area like, you know, in Florida or somewhere that's just gonna potentially have a lot of hurricanes, then I think going with the waterproof kit really makes sense. Or if you're just gonna be out on boats and you need an emergency kit for out on the water or anywhere near water, then I think the waterproof kit really does make sense over the large kit. Majority of the time though, I always recommend just going with the regular kit because most people, either they're not in scenarios where they could get hurt a lot. So if you're not really like doing any type of like outdoor activities or not doing anything crazy on a daily basis and it's just you and maybe your husband or your wife, then this one really makes sense. Again, this one is more so for if you've got more people, a larger family. And then the waterproof case, this is if you're gonna be around water. So hopefully this gives you a good look of what the kit looks like and also a little bit of a comparison between the waterproof kit and the Pro kit. So again, if you're looking for a really good first aid kit that's gonna have you covered no matter what, that's gonna have literally everything that you need in all types of emergency situations, including a first aid guide to show you exactly what to do, then this is probably the kit that you're looking for.